The Infiniti QX55, produced from 2021 to 2023, relies on a key fob for convenient features like keyless entry, remote start, and locking or unlocking your vehicle. When the key fob battery weakens or dies, these functions can fail, making it frustrating to access your car. This video provides a simple DIY guide for replacing the battery yourself, saving both time and money compared to professional dealership service. The Infiniti QX55 key fob requires a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This is a standard size, readily available at most drugstores, auto parts stores, or online retailers like Amazon. Using the correct battery type ensures proper function and prevents damage. Do not use any other size. For replacing the key fob battery, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Avoid using sharp metal objects to prevent scratches on the fob. Work in a well-lit area. Remove the key from the vehicle and ensure the vehicle is off. Wearing gloves is optional but can prevent oil transfer and corrosion. First, locate the small release button on the back of the QX55 key fob. This button is usually found on the side or back of the fob. Press and hold this button firmly. You should feel a slight click or resistance as it releases the internal catch. While holding the button, gently pull the two halves apart. Start from the end where the seam opens and work your way around carefully to avoid damaging the case. If the halves don't separate easily, use a small screwdriver or plastic pry tool to carefully assist. Start at the seam created by pressing the button and gently pry along the edges. Be patient and work slowly to avoid breaking the fob or damaging internal components. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Gently pry the old battery out. You can use the plastic pry tool or your fingernail. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up and it sits snugly in the compartment. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Align the edges properly and press firmly until you hear a click. Ensure the fob is securely closed with no gaps between the halves. This prevents moisture or dust from entering. Test the key fob by attempting to lock and unlock your QX55 from a distance of at least 10 feet. Try all buttons to ensure full functionality. If the fob doesn't respond, double-check the battery orientation. The positive side should face up. Also, verify the fob is fully closed. If the fob still doesn't work after replacement, the battery may be defective or reprogramming may be needed. Reprogramming typically requires a visit to the Infiniti dealership. According to a 2024 YouTube video by QX55 DIY, incorrect battery placement led to one case of fob failure, requiring dealer reprogramming, underscoring the need for precision. Also, be careful not to get any moisture in the key fob. After removing the old battery, dispose of it properly through recycling programs offered by retailers like Amazon or AutoZone. This prevents lithium waste and environmental contamination. Improper disposal of lithium batteries contributes to environmental pollution through gas emissions, soil contamination, and water pollution. Always recycle through certified programs to minimize this impact. To extend your key fob's lifespan, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures, moisture, and physical impacts. Store it in a cool, dry place and handle it gently to prevent damage. Regularly check the battery's condition and replace it every 1 to 2 years, or immediately if you notice diminished performance like reduced remote range. This prevents unexpected failures.